I usually put language models use cases into two different camps. So like language models are great for like creativity, for generative things, right? So they call it generative AI. It's good for that type of work, right? So like write me this thing or come up with this idea or how would you implement this in code? So the idea being that in those scenarios, the goal is not necessarily accuracy or correctness, but ideation. I also think the other use case I see LLMs being really useful for is orchestration, right? Because LLMs can understand natural language. They understand it very well. And so I see LLMs very powerful as being able to orchestrate and compose things based on natural language input. I think that's why this whole idea of agents is kind of powerful because it's almost like large language models can potentially offer a better Siri or a better Alexa, right? This is the same idea that has been floating around for a long time. This ambient computing, the ability to just talk and then have a system understand what you're asking for, what you're saying, and then it actually do that, right? So LLMs might be a better use case there because they can still call deterministic code, right? They can still generate inputs to code that does very specific things, but hopefully they can have a better ability to better understand what it is you want to accomplish and how to compose things together to actually accomplish that.